guys, 105, 202. Thank you. 105 and 713. Look at them as they gonna knock that Darth Vader down. There he goes. Got rock FEC gondolas. This is not much of a long train. Wow. Short. Just short. Wow. I'm not impressed. 202's been pretty short these past couple of days. 109 beat this train indefinitely. EOT passing me at 337. It's BBT 609 here on Railroad Avenue near 14th Avenue South on the Florida East Coast main line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202. You may see 222 and 101 with the Saraceno brothers. I may. I'm just not definite about it. If you guys don't see those uploads today, or should I say tonight, yeah, it didn't happen. It didn't pop off. But if you do, then it does. Anyways, look, listen, and live. Out.